In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list in Smartsheet. So the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to open up one of your sheets. You could go ahead and create it by clicking Add to Workspace, Sheet, and then just creating one. And then from here, to add a drop-down, click on the plus column here on the right. And then when you do that, it's going to give you an option of a drop-down list. Click on that, and then here you can just give it a name. I'm going to name it drop-down over here. You could also add a description. I'm going to ignore that because it's not necessary. It's optional. And then here, make sure the column type is drop down list. And then I'm going to do a limit to 1 value per cell. Of course, you can do that or not. It's completely up to you. And then you could set these settings here according to your own preference. And then down here is where you can add in the drop down list values. So we're going to do colors right now. Of course, you can do whatever you want. For example, I'm going to type in blue over here, add value. I'm going to add purple. There we go. I'm going to add value. I'm going to do red and then add value and then yellow. Okay, like this. I'm going to click on apply. Of course, you can do whatever you want here. And when you click apply, it's going to add a drop down to this entire column. And you can just click on this drop down arrow and then just click on whatever you want here. And it's going to put that exact thing in there. And this basically now works as a drop down list. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.